Go home happy with the 2016 Toyota Tundra. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Explore this rugged Toyota Tundra, the adventure-loving, full-size pickup with impressive towing and hauling capabilities and a smooth, refined ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, trailer hitch, alarm, vehicle anti-theft system, full-size spare tire. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.